Okay guys, quick video on midnight here. Just did a lighting upgrade on the inside of the truck. Decided to buy one of those kits they have on Amazon. This one is from Parts AM, and it is a kit for, they're saying 99 to 2006, but it should go to 2007, I would think. The classic style anyway. And this is, believe it or not, there's 11 LEDs in this little box, and they supposedly replace all the lights in the interior. I didn't do the doors yet because I don't have those lights in my doors, on my door panels I mean. Just haven't got them in yet, but I did pretty much everything else. And it's a decent kit, guys. It's really cheap. Really cheap. You can see the nice white light that it does have. You can see I did the lights under here. And basically, I think every light just about is a 194. Even the map lights. If I can hit the button there, this truck is so dang tall. Ugh. See, even the map lights. Your little trick on those is you gotta install, once you pull these lights out, there's a little groove here, you pop the lens off, and then there's the reflector. You gotta install usually you pull the reflector off, but the lights are so wide you gotta put the reflector and the LED in at the same time. But I've showed you how to take that light apart. Check my other videos if you want to see that. I've got that's the dome light on, and they also send a bulb for each one of the lights that you can turn on. These are actually burnt out in this truck. So, not sure if they're brighter than the factory stuff, but it sure is a nice white light. I'll show you a few of the lights in the kit. Right, buddy? Okay, so here's the lights that I have left over. I haven't replaced yet. But this is basically what you get. You actually get 3 of these. Or no, you got 4 of these because I got 3 of these installed already. Not exactly sure where this 4th one goes. But right now I got an extra, I guess, that if one of those goes out. But they're pretty cheap, guys. And you can tell that with the price of all these. Pretty cheap lights that they probably will start failing over time. I don't think this is something that's going to probably last all that long just because they're so cheap. But all these lights are really easy to change. So that's kind of why I just went cheap. I just got something cheap that had all the lights that I could just go through and quickly change them out. And that's why I did that. But just be prepared when they do start failing to start replacing these. So that's it, guys. Quick video on the bulbs I used on the interior of this truck. Pretty happy. I think $11 or something like that for that kit. So really not bad at all. I'm happy with it. So I guess, guys, that's going to do it for this quick video. I guess I'll see you.